Morning guys, back at the studio again, and we've got a special guest arriving very shortly. We've got Tommy, B7TMY, YouTube star. He's bringing his 3 Series over for a nice detail, machine polish up, good deep clean of the wheels. We've also got loads of other stuff going on indoors today, and we've got some PPF going on a brand new RS6 as well. So guys, we've got Tommy here. Welcome to the studio, mate.
Nice one, thank you, mate.
Just explain to our guys what the car's all about, why you did it as a project, and what you've done so far.
Okay, so I picked this up about a month ago. It's a BMW E46, 3 litre. A couple of mates owned it before me. I bought it when the engine was gone, so it's had a new engine put in it last week. And it's literally sort of reviving what used to be somewhat of a nice, clean looking show car. As you can see, it needs a lot of TLC and help. I don't think it's been washed in about 8 months. Nice. It's been just sat there rotting, but it's got a lot of potential, and that's what we're trying to unlock pretty much.
Cool, awesome, thank you, mate. So Sam, come over, we'll just have a quick walk around of the bits that we're going to work on today. Just looking down here at the wheels, you can probably see they are disgusting. So yeah, let's get it cleaned up. Brand new RS6 in for PPF. PPF stands for paint protection film. It's the plastic wrap that prevents stone chips from hitting the front of the car. So we're getting this car prepped up. PPF's going on it today. Full front end track pack. Stay tuned. Right, progress on the RS6 with the PPF. Currently wings are on, front bumper's about to go down. If you come over here, Sam, come and look at the finish on here. Really, really nice, clean, glossy finish on there. Looks beautiful. No marks on there at all. So yeah, crack on with the rest of it. So, Tommy, your car, it's, we've had a bit of a play around with it today, haven't we?
Yeah,
so
we've had a go.
The interior has come up really nicely.
Yeah, the interior looks a lot, 10 times better than it did before. It feels like a new car inside.
Absolutely. However, we actually had a play around with the paint. Now, obviously, guys, you'd seen the paint condition beforehand. Once we'd started to do a test panel on the front of the bonnet, we realised that it was not going to be done in a day.
No, it was very far gone, I'd say. It was at the extreme level, I'd say.
Completely. So, it really needs wet flatting back to remove all the marks on the surface. Even a heavy cutting compound wasn't going to touch the top of that. No. So what are you going to do with it?
I'm just going to wrap it.
You're going to wrap it?
It's just cheaper and easier options for me at the moment. To be honest, it's only a budget car, so if it was like a nice high-end car, obviously it'd be a different story. But with this, it doesn't owe me anything. I could just whack some vinyl on it and it looked a lot better. And it doesn't matter what it looks like underneath.
Cool. So we've got away with that, have we?
Yeah, we've got away with that one. The inside's well nice though, to be fair, it's like a brand new car inside. But yeah, the outside, not much saying it. The wheels cleaned up really nice, apart from obviously the curving, but can't really do much about that. So I was just thinking, with a quick little respray, they could look really nice, to be honest. But yeah,
we'll have a look at that later down the line.
Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you guys for checking this video out. Don't forget, PPF now available at the studio. Loads more videos to have a look through. And Tommy, thank you for bringing her in.
Thank you very much.
I'll see you again soon.
Cheers.
As always, thank you to all of our staff for the massive efforts they put in to creating the content to go onto the channel, and also to the special guest who's helped us out today, Christian, iValet UK Bedfordshire and also Buckinghamshire. He's been helping out with a bit of detailing as well as using the studio for his own bits and pieces. So if you're based in Bedfordshire and Buckinghamshire, go and check him out as well. He's on Instagram under that title. Yeah, great guy.